This is scary. Oh shit.
Hi everyone, I'm Laura and I'm here today at Gator Wraps in Lake Forest, California. I'm here to introduce to you a very new cool shade system that uses patio umbrellas. And today I have with me Bobby Friedman, the shade expert, and he'll tell us all about it.
Thank you, Laura. Okay, so this is Automobrella. It hooks in the receiver of any SUV vehicle. This is the single Automobrella. The single Automobrella pivots to the left or right of your vehicle. It also extends, so it goes 5 feet away from your car. It comes in 2 different models, the single and the double. I'm going to get right to it and give you a demonstration on the double because I want you to see the tougher one. They're both very simple though.
So you use the umbrella and put it in the single or double Automobrella.
You got it. And these are commercial grade 9-foot UV 45 mile an hour wind tested umbrellas, and you get to choose your flavor. We have American flag, muddy water camo, and several colors. So let's get right to it. Let's go show you the double Automobrella.
So it's pretty simple to put in, right?
Absolutely. I went ahead and shoved a double Automobrella right into the receiver already. As you know, you don't want to be walking into your tailgate and tripping over something, so we made it so it swivels to the left and right. And in order to create so much shade as we've done with 2 9-foot patio umbrellas, we had to make it so that it extended far away from your vehicle. So you extend it and pivot it out. This enables you to have 2 9-foot umbrellas. So when you have 9 foot tall and 9, here you go ahead and take it.
Thank
you
you.
have 2 9-foot tall and 2 9-foot wide umbrellas. That's a lot of shade.